So I do know that a lot of my videos I'm recording and putting out there have like incessant rambling. I am promising to practice and get better at actually showing up and not rambling so much. Okay, guys, so stick with me, stay subscribed. Let me know what you want to hear about. I am more than willing to try to slow down and maybe make some notes before I get on here and talk, because I start talking lately, even in real life or even when I'm writing, and then all of a sudden I'm talking about something completely different. It happens all the time lately. It's getting better. I've been having my Rise mushroom coffee every day, and it's helping my mind be a little more clear. But I have some other things in life that I'm trying to sort through, which involves a lot of meditating, a lot of journaling, and a lot of coloring so that I can slow my brain down. And walking. I've been walking every day. So I appreciate those who have stuck with me through the past however many years I've been on YouTube. And I am absolutely grateful for the newbies that have hopped on and said, hey, you know what? I really want to learn more about AI. I really want to learn more about goal setting. And a lot of you seem interested in relationship chats. I am so not good at, you know, your intimate relationships. I seem to pick the wrong people, but I do pick the right people sometimes in my life. I have been blessed to have a pretty good last 4 years of my life. And that's the key, I think. I think it's just about being grateful for the experiences you have, the experiences you've had, what you have today. And as long as you're living in gratitude, you'll find that slowly things will get better for you. But anyway, I just want to kind of do a shortish video to say I understand I ramble a lot. I'm going to try to get better at it. It is a goal of mine, which is why I'm showing up more on YouTube with videos without a script. But I will start doing notes so that I kind of can be like, okay, I was going to talk about goal setting today, so I'm going to talk about goal setting, period. I'm not going to talk about the dogs jumping around behind me. I'm not going to talk about how I was training my littlest dog to heel. I'm not going to talk about how teenagers and are working and mama taxi stuff. No, I'm not. I'm going to stay on track. So maybe I'll do that. If y'all out there have some sort of tool that you use that doesn't sound like a robot who is reading a script, but it helps you stay on track, please share those tools with me. I think we can all help each other, and I know a lot of you have pretty successful YouTube channels, and I'd love to learn from you. So it's okay. I know I'm not that great on staying on topic. I understand where my flaws are, and you probably can find some that maybe I can work on. Let me know with some constructive feedback and maybe some tools that can help me stay on track and show up better for you. Because if I'm not showing up good enough for you and helping you in any way, then what's the sense in showing up at all? I'm not doing this for me. I'm doing this to help you in some small way. Let me know the tools. Let me know the advice. I love y'all. Thanks for showing up.